Service in Phoenix has issued a flash flood warning for Maricopa County in south-central Arizona until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 6:23 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain along State Route 85 between Anjo and Gila Bend. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include mainly rural areas of Maricopa County. This includes the following highways: Arizona Route 85 between mile markers 11 and 20. This includes the following streams and drainages: Tamil Wash and Midway Wash. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Remain alert for flooding even in locations not receiving rain. Arroyos, streams, and rivers can become raging killer currents in a matter of minutes, even from distant rainfall. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona,